This is the Xiaomi 14 and here are 5 things you definitely need to know about it. The Xiaomi 14 is the first phone with the new flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC. It's got insane Antutu scores and comes with the new HyperOS for the best experience possible. There's a 90-watt charger included in the box, so you can charge this from 0 to 100 in about 30 minutes. And despite the lower price tag, there's still support for 50-watt wireless charging. The display is a 1.5K OLED with LTPO support capable of a peak brightness of 3000 nits, highest in the industry. To the back, we have 3 cameras. The primary is a 50 megapixel Light Fusion 900 paired with an f1.6 lens with OIS. The others, the ultra-wide and telephoto, they have 50 megapixel sensors too. Xiaomi's launched this phone for about 45,000 rupees in China. What do you think would be a fair price for India? Leave a comment down below.